Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by prepping the phone. Disable background app refresh and unnecessary location services so apps stop draining power in the background. Once done, set auto brightness and keep low power mode ready to toggle at about 20% to reduce stress on the battery. Make sure iOS is updated and use an original or certified charger. Charging behavior and software both affect battery chemistry. These first actions lower heat and charge cycles, which is how you protect long-term battery capacity. Next, focus on how and when you charge. Plug in more often but avoid full cycles. Aim for roughly 20% to 80% because extreme states accelerate wear. Enable optimized battery charging so the phone learns your routine and slows charging past 80% overnight. That reduces time at high voltage. Also, do not game or run heavy apps while charging since heat increases degradation. If you must use it, remove the case or keep it ventilated so temperature stays lower and chemistry remains healthy. Finally, maintain and troubleshoot. Check battery health in settings to monitor maximum capacity and peak performance. If capacity falls to 80% or below, consider a battery replacement to restore usable life. Once in a while, calibrate by charging to full and then letting it discharge to around 10% to keep reporting accurate. If you see sudden abnormal drain, restart the phone, check for rogue apps, and reset settings if necessary. This often clears misbehaving software without data loss, fixing most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.